guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I do my hot oil treatment. So I am going to start with my extra virgin olive oil, and then I'm going to go in and add my hair growth oil. I will link it down in the description box. Then I'm going to add a few drops of my peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is good for your scalp. And then I'm going to add, of course, my black castor oil. And finally, I am going to add in my jojoba oil. So this is the mixture that I will be using for my hot oil treatment. I'm going to go ahead and put the bottle in boiling water because I want the mixture to mix out evenly, and I want the oil to be warm before I apply it to my hair. Not hot, but warm. You want the oil to be warm. So my hair is freshly washed. I am going to start by patting out sections of my hair and applying the oil to my hair. So every time I apply the oil to my hair, I'm going to use my fingers to rake through my hair to make sure that the oil penetrates deeply into my hair. As you can see, I'm only using my fingers to rake through my hair. And after applying the oil, I'm going to twist up my hair and then repeat the same procedure on the other sections of my hair. So first apply the oil, use my hands to rake through my hair and then twist up my hair. So now, after going through all sections of my hair, I'm going to now add the oil into my scalp and onto the remainder of my hair until I'm out of the oil, basically. So as you can see, I'm just gonna apply the oil to my hair strands. Make sure that my hair is saturated with the oil and keep on repeating this process until the oil is finished. Now, when you finish, you want to make sure that you massage your scalp. It's very, very important that whenever you apply any deep conditioning treatment or oil to your hair, always massage your scalp and your edges. This helps to increase blood flow. So I'm going to then add a plastic bag onto my hair, and then I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer for about 15 minutes. This is how my hair looks after I washed the oil out of my hair. You want to make sure that you wash it with lukewarm water. You don't want to wash all the oil out, but you want to wash some of the oil out, okay? Now see, my hair looks very moisturized. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.